It's time for Liverpool Football Club to make changes to rethink on how they can just make the history at Santiago Bernabeu as one among of the difficult stadiums for the opponent team to get the positive results. But today, the day has come, and the question to the mindset of the people is, can Liverpool make the withdrawal at Santiago Bernabeu by beating Real Madrid and qualifying to the next stage of the UEFA Champions League? It's a question that people ask themselves, and the answers will be obtained, will be found today after the 90 minutes of the game being over. Of course, it's something that's just a game that people are waiting for, as to be the competitive game, as now Liverpool Football Club is in a good form, having the good performance, and of course, under the head coach in UEFA Champions League means Jurgen Klopp says nothing impossible under the sun. Of course, there is a great chance for them to make sure that they withdraw the result available, as of course it's something that he plouds of.